Today, we will talk about how to meet someone without online dating. Let's have a look at the details. So you're ready to meet that special someone, but you're tired of the constant swiping of dating apps. Or maybe you can't stand another date with someone who only wants to hook up or doesn't look like their profile picture. Ditch the algorithm. The best way to show off your great personality is to get out there and meet people in real life. Chatting in person is easier than it might seem at first, and we're here to help with plenty of suggestions on how and where to meet people. Pursue hobbies you're passionate about. You'll have a common interest with anyone else who's participating. If you're doing something that really excites you, you're going to light up and look like you're having a good time. That type of glow is super attractive to anyone, so you might actually be more likely to meet people when you're having fun. Strike up a conversation about what's happening around you. Use your environment as a casual lead-in. Once you find someone cute and introduce yourself, look for ways to keep the conversation going. Don't worry about corny pickup lines. The easiest and most natural way to talk to someone is just to make an observation or ask a question about something that's around you. Ask your friends to play Cupid. Lean into your network to meet new people. Let your friends know you're hoping to meet someone, and ask if they have any acquaintances they think you'd be a good match with. Change up your routine to meet new people. You're way more likely to meet people by going somewhere you've never been before. Anything that breaks you out of your routine is another chance at finding love. Head to a bar or coffee shop solo. You're more likely to be approached by someone if you're alone. It can take a little practice to get comfortable going out on your own, but luckily, it gets easier the more you do it. Take a class or lesson to get out of your comfort zone. You might meet someone while you learn something new. Attend meetup groups and singles events in your area. Look for groups and clubs that match your interests. Meetup groups are more like social clubs where you can mingle and meet people. It can help to prepare ahead of time with a few icebreakers and conversation topics so you don't have to think of what to say on the spot. Try speed dating to meet a lot of people quickly. Speed dating gives you a chance to gauge your chemistry instantly. At a speed dating event, you usually have about 3 minutes to chat with someone. Afterward, both of you indicate whether you felt like you were a match or not. If you both want to see each other again, the organizers will put you in contact with each other so you can make a date. Make eye contact with people while you're out. You have to notice someone to meet them. Make eye contact and smile. This will get someone to notice you. It can be tempting to use your phone as a way to pass the time, but staring at your phone sends a signal that you don't want to be bothered. Keep your head up rather than staring at the ground. That way, your posture will show others that you're confident and open to chatting. Introduce yourself to people who seem interesting. Don't just wait for them to talk to you. Okay, it's true, this can be challenging at first, but the good news is that the more you do it, the easier it will get. So take a deep breath to steady those butterflies. Walk up to someone you want to meet and say hi. They might just start chatting with you. Read their body language to see if they're interested. Check out their facial expression and eye contact, in particular. If you're chatting with someone and they're making eye contact and smiling, their body is turned toward you, and they're giving you detailed answers. Congrats. Lose the fear of hearing no. Some people won't be interested, and that's okay. In fact, it's kind of a good thing. It means you're trying to meet people, and that's something to be proud of. Even better, you're getting practice at starting a conversation with strangers, and in today's digital world, that puts you way ahead of the game when it comes to meeting people in person. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.